I think this time the young mandarins in court must have misled the Supremo on Raila Odinga on basic facts. And
why do you say that?
He essentially just mentioned the office holders. So and so, the minister, the deputy minister, the PS, Nyaoga, chairman of central bank. He just mentioned officials. Like coming here, the editor-in-chief, the managing editor, then you say all these people. And you look at what he said, you can't see the theft he was talking about. We thought he had evidence to come and say, look, this money was this much, about this amount was taken by so-and-so to this account, and it went. So at the end of his press conference, I thought the mandarins may have misled him, and our age may be at 70 plus, the memory lapses. That could have been, but this time it was very unfortunate. My heart goes to those people who are named and their names defamed, but we hope they will heal. And
but there was also the question of some of the figures taking so long for the government to explain and articulate what happened to the money. Why the delay if there is no foul play?
What I suspect, I don't know. What I suspect is the Eurobond came. As the minister said, it came and it went to the ministries. What I suspect could have been a little mistake is that part of this money could have been used for recurrent expenditure.
But why not explain that and articulate and say this is what happened? Because again, if it is money that went towards a good cause, why not just declare?
And I have said here before that in order for us to contain the court and then to answer to Raila, whenever he mentions something, the antidote is to give those correct facts. Say, what you are saying is not correct, this is the right fact. I think that is where we did not, but that's where the Treasury did not come out quickly to say, look, what you are saying is not accurate, this is what happened, this amount of money went to the ministry, this amount of money went to this ministry, and therefore this is how it was utilized. That there was a failure. But the court brigade and the court leader was on the basis the money was stolen. In fact, he was implying that the little harambe monies that the deputy president was giving here and there was the proceeds from Eurobond. That was the major implication. Just like whenever he sees people giving money, when Kedero was giving money around, it was like, oh, Kedero is using sugar money, this and that. So it was like the Eurobond was taken by individuals, stolen, and kept in their houses they are distributing. Now, evidence has shown that money was not stolen. It came in, went into the ministries. The best thing now, as a court team, is Mzee himself, Honorable Raila, to accept and say, here I made a mistake. I think I hurt young people who are serving this country diligently. And I'm sorry about this.